thunderstorm warning for west central Weber County in northern Utah, eastern Box Elder County in northern Utah until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the winds associated with strong thunderstorms were located. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Weber County in northern Utah, eastern Box Elder County in northern Utah until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, strong outflow winds associated with strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 10 miles east of Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway to 10 miles north of Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard to 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brigham City, Tremonton, Cary, Willard, Bear River City, Green, Plymouth, South Willard, Riverside, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway, Pleasant View, Far West, Plain City, Garland, Hunneville, Elwood, Fielding, Deweyville, and Coulson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 351 and 391, Interstate 84 between mile markers 34 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Take shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder and Weber.